Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert your React Native navigation app into an expo-router based navigation app. So first off, we're just installing that expo-router package, and I'm going to just skip ahead of that. You can see we currently have an app.js that currently sets up our stack navigator and our different routes. And we've got these two screens, home.js and settings.js, that navigate to each other. First off, I'm just going to rename this app.js to index.js, and I'm going to remove all the code. I'm going to import expo-router entry, as this is my entry, and I'm going to go ahead and rename these different screens to allow automatic routing to them. I'm going to put them in this app folder. That's the convention for this expo-router package. What it does basically is it allows you to not have to specify the different routes manually, so you can just automatically add them and just navigate to them. So it just removes a little bit of complexity there. The index is the first one that I would be navigating to, so that's my home page. I can remove the navigation property that I'm passing into my component, because I can use the use router expo router hook. Just starting up my app so we can sort of see as I go along. So you can see that it's not quite working yet. It's saying that we've got some issue with the entry point. So I've got my entry point here, but I actually need to make sure that I update a few things before I can use expo-router. So one thing I need to do is I need to add a scheme, and the scheme is going to just help with that linking and routing. But that's all. I'm also going to need to go ahead and specify the main, which is the entry point, and I'm going to specify that that's index.js now. That's going to enable it to use expo routing. Now if I go ahead and reload, it should show my home page. So you can see it's got my home page, and I could click on go to settings, but that probably won't work at this stage. You see I've got that route settings, which is related to the React Native navigation route. I also need to import my use router from expo-router. Now that I have use router imported, I can set up my navigation constant using that use router hook. That's going to allow me to go to the settings, but like I said before, that settings path is actually different through expo-router, so I'm going to need to adjust that as well. So I'm just going to send it to /settings. It kind of seems more in line with a browser navigation, so it might be more familiar to some people. So you can see when I click that, it took me to the settings page. I'm also going to need to adjust the settings page to take me back to the home page or the index page. So I'm going to once again import use router from expo-router. I'm going to update my navigation to take me back home. And I'm also going to define my navigation constant using that use router hook. So you can see that saying undefined is not a function, and that's because I've got .navigate here, whereas in the index I've got .push. I'm going to use replace because I want to replace the route on the stack here so that it doesn't end up just with like an endless stack of navigations as I navigate between them. So I used replace and you could see that worked. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today. If you have, please like and subscribe for more content. All my code will be available on GitHub.